Welcome back to Trading with CJ. We have an update video for you today on GAXY Next Generation, ticker symbol GAXY. This is one of the first penny stocks that we spoke about on this channel back in around about mid-December, early January time. And we are still very much an investor, although if you watched my very recent video about maybe 3 weeks ago or something like that, you will know that Trading 212, the UK brokerage, has placed a restriction on buying this stock. So I have not added to my position because I cannot currently add to it. However, I am still holding it. So we're going to go into this bit of news today. And if you appreciate all of this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. That really is appreciated. So my current average price on GAXY Next Generation is 0.024. Okay, so 2.5 pence basically per share. And that is currently gains of 30% looking at its current price, which is 0.032. So we are sitting on gains at the moment of 30%. And if we bought when we first spoke about these, they were at 0.28. So you'd still be on very nice gains even if you bought then. However, you can see here looking at the share price, even if we look at the last month, it is down quite a lot. We are down 53% from where we was 1 month ago. Massive. That's to do with a couple of different things really. First one here is the general market correction. A lot of stocks are down on where there was a month ago. And the second one here is the fact that the restriction has been placed on this company. So yes, you can still buy this stock on other brokerages. However, a lot of UK investors cannot currently buy this company, which is obviously going to massively impact this company, okay? Regardless of whether you can still buy in the US on particular brokerage, etc. If UK people are limited to specific brokerages, it's going to be hard to buy. Which is why when we talk about uplisting to the NASDAQ, this is massive for companies because it gives a lot more exposure to other brokerages. And GAXY Next Generation are really feeling the force of this exemption right now. If you want to check out all of the reasons for that, check out my previous video on GAXY Next Generation, also linked in the description. Let's go into the very recent bit of news. We know that GAXY smashed their earnings. We've covered that as well. You can check that video out. However, this came out just a few days ago. GAXY Next Generation blows away company's single-day record with nearly $1 million in new purchase orders. $1 million right there, okay? To be precise, it goes on to say it was 916,000. Now, this company currently has a market cap of 80 million, okay? So that is a big order there in one go. And yeah, basically this says they are pleased to announce that Valdosta City School District and Newton County School District in Georgia have initiated additional new purchase orders of 916,000. These were processed prior to the passing of the new stimulus funding for education and are great indicators of GAXY's growth potential due to increased resources to school budgets, which is good. We've mentioned before they're going to get a big bit of funding there from the government to put in towards developing their technology, their schools, etc. And yeah, this is potentially a sign of this, okay? The new orders include the G2 interactive panels, accessories, i.e. the keyboards and mobile stands, and the G2 suite of learning software, demonstrating both customers' continued support for technology in the classrooms and school buildings, okay? Very low cap stock, but lots of exciting things to come. And the CEO here, Gary Liquez, says they are both continued long-standing customers, having purchased a wide variety of technology solutions for our classroom and in-school building. The aggregate of purchase orders received yesterday represents several similar smaller ones as well as larger orders received from Valdosta to date. So this is a returning customer, and this is one of the great things about GAXY Next Generation. These are returning customers. It's kind of like Apple. You go to Apple, you get an iPhone. Most people are going to want to upgrade that iPhone in a couple years' time or whatever. Probably most likely to the next iPhone, okay? It is a returning customer, which is great for companies like this. So a big order there just placed from the schools, and more to come. This also followed the same day, this news as well. GAXY Next Generation awarded a 5-year contract from Allen Independent School District, this time in Texas. And it says here, the contract enables Allen Independent School District and its 23 different schools access to all G2 products. That's the panels, ranging from the different sizes, the Teacher View distance learning solution, and the control bells, intercom, Couv shield, all of the above. It now has allowed them access to all of that, okay? And this says that it's covering most of the city in Allen, as well as portions of the city in McKinney, Piano, and Parker. And once again, Gary here, the CEO, says Allen Independent School District now has a vehicle to easily purchase all of our products. we will begin to outreach into its 23 schools with product information as we look forward to a long-standing relationship with the school district in helping their teachers and students connect to learn in a safe environment. So this is great, okay? They haven't actually purchased anything yet, but they now have this 5-year contract deal and giving them access to these products, which of course, like we just said, the great thing about GAXY Next Generation is the returning customer base. People go to this company and they want to rebuy its products. So things are looking very promising, okay? Just a little bit of news around this company, exciting bit of news. This company's only really been putting out good news, okay? So to see a 53% sell-off in a month is pretty crazy. We spoke about it earnings. I just want to quickly touch on some of the highlights from that. You can go and check my earnings video out to get the full in-depth one. But look at this. Revenue was increasing 32% to 2 million. Now we mentioned 2 million, that was increased there for the 6 months ending in December. They just got 1 million in contracts pretty much in a day, which is insane, okay? Next earnings, we can pretty much guarantee very good earnings in the next one because they're already smashing their revenue anyway. Deferred revenue of 1 million, product gross margin 50%, margin of 34% after freight and transit, reduction in quarterly operating loss. So only now they made a 0.9 million. Total assets to 5.6. Backlog is been increasing, they're hiring new members to their team, and they have no debt. Remember, this company has no debt, and the revenue is starting to grow. So it's a very small cap stock, currently trading, like we say, for around about 3 pence or 3 cents per share. But lots of good news keeps coming. There's nothing really that I've looked at this company and thought, this is bad, okay? This is not good at all. Nothing has thought that, which is why I'm holding this one. I have not added, but like I said, that's because I cannot currently add on my broker. If we do get the reinstatement from that, if we do finally hear exactly whether this can be reinstated, which at the moment doesn't look likely, but if it does, then I will be adding. But for now, I'm holding, and you know what, may even consider another brokerage as well if good news keeps coming. So that's my thoughts on this company. Quick update today. Let me know your thoughts on GAXY Next Generation, and if you appreciate all of these updates, we also have a couple new penny stocks. Penny stocks that I have not covered before coming out in the next few days. Brand new penny stocks to my channel. If you're part of the Discord, you may already be aware of these, but I've never made a video, so definitely check them out coming up in the next few days. Thanks for watching. If you could smash a like and subscribe to my channel, that really is appreciated. And until next time.